Too much?
I don't know, it might fall over.
Too much?
You don't have much of a base.
Don't have much of a base.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to meet up with some of our Magna folks, and we're going to make our trophies for the 2019 Magna Seesaw event, which is one of the biggest events on the East Coast every year. Car show, racing, just you can't get much better than that. It's actually the event I won last year, and I can actually post a link to that video above. So come with me, got the T-tops off. It's a little bit warm today, might kick the AC on, but let's go meet up with the crew and make some trophies. This should be fun. All right, guys, change of plans. Had to jump in the Monty because I checked my registration on the Buick for some odd reason. Something just told me to check it, and unfortunately it was expired. So in light of not being pulled over and getting it towed, we jumped in the Monty. So let's head to Derek's and go build some trophies. This should be fun. We're gonna go inside and see what everybody's up to. Yo!
Nobody's here yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
On the first one?
Yeah. I just shut the door a second ago. I got hot.
Yeah, I was like, am I at the right spot? I don't see any cars.
Yeah, Stefan's running late. I don't know if John's coming.
What's going on, dude?
No, I'm trying to figure out how to get this.
What we got?
Just a gear, trying to get the gears apart so we can weld them.
Nice.
But they got some kind of C-clips in
Oh, there it is, underneath the cover. The beast.
Yeah.
Johnny!
She'll love that.
What's up, dude?
You know,
How you been?
I haven't started my day yet. I still got.
Oh, you gotta get that coffee?
I gotta
in?
get that rush.
What's up, Johnny? He's like, nah, I don't want to be bothered.
Look, you see the donut that he had?
Wow, yeah,
It's all
let me
over
see.
his face.
Chocolate frosted, brother? It's all good.
Boston cream.
Oh, there you go. That's good stuff.
Oh, here we go. Ready? In.
Oh, yeah.
Spin, spin,
Keep
spin.
talking. We're gonna be copyrighted if I hear this music in the background. Yeah, there you go. That looks good.
Oh. Man, this is like the last time I tried on a Magna. It just slipped right off today.
What's that? Whoa, doctor.
All right.
Going in.
Yeah, buddy. You know, somebody's got to be the brains in the bunch. And I feel as though I'm the brains. There's the brawn right there. That would be the brawn right there. And that's the guy doing all the work. He just showed up, so he feels it's necessary to do a little bit of work. But he's doing good.
And I'm just videotaping.
No, I took a picture of you and that was cruising.
I was playing video games
It's
too.
on Facebook already.
Yeah.
win.
Alright boys, I'm out of here.
Come to Cecil County for these all done.
What's the dates?
September, what, 21st?
Alright.
Or 19th and 20th, something like that.
So if you guys come, you can win one of these trophies. So definitely make sure you check it out. Bring your car, enter in the car show.
Drag racing.
There's also drag racing. He's checking the dates so we can make sure we're right.
21st.
Alright, September 20th and 21st.
Yeah.
The car show is the 21st, Saturday. Gates probably open at like 8 a.m. What's it? How much you get in?
20, 25 bucks.
20, 25 bucks, get you in the gate, watch all the drag racing and into the show. So sponsored by Magna. Come check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.